Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamers. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can join tournament in Clash Royale. Keep watching the video till the end. To join tournament in Clash Royale, firstly go ahead and open your Clash Royale application. The battlefield of Clash Royale application will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top right corner of the page. From the drop down, click on Tournaments. Now to join a tournament, you can either search by the name or you can search with a tag. It's going to pull up the tournament. You can also create a private tournament by tapping on Create option if you want to. This is how you can join tournament in Clash Royale quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.